Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon that you could share with anyone you like, but shoppers can't discover it on their own. Now, it's nice to play around with coupons because it lets you create discounts for specific audiences and it encourages purchases. It gets buyers to spend more and build loyalty. Now, I recommend getting a newsletter first, having an email list, and sending the coupons to those people so they could spend more by offering a coupon discount activated by a minimum amount of orders. Now, I don't recommend adding your coupon code in a banner, in listing descriptions, or even social media unless you are grabbing an email for the exchange of the coupon. This way, you could start growing your email list and then you could remarket to them at a later time your products and services. So if you have not started your email marketing, I recommend to do so as soon as possible. I will leave my referral link to ActiveCampaign. They are amazing to work with. And I recommend to do this sooner than later, because you are actually leaving a lot of potential money on the table. So just keep that in mind. Also, make sure that you stick around all the way to the end of the video to grab my free Xc Seo 8-page PDF guide. So let's head over to my computer so I could show you how to create a coupon code. All right, so here we are on my computer and we're gonna go ahead and create a coupon. All you need to do is head over to Shop Manager. From there, you're gonna go to Marketing, and then you're going to click on Sales and Coupons, New Special Offer, and then Create Coupon. Now from here, you're able to select free shipping, percentage off, or a fixed amount. I'm going to do percentage off. I'm going to say 15%. And then from here, you're able to select minimum order to qualify. So you want people to do you want to give the discount to any listing? Doesn't matter what they bought. Do you want them to buy a certain amount of listings, like orders? Or do you want to take a percentage off the total? So they have to spend like 50 in order to get the 15%. Now, what I do encourage you to do is that if you have an email list, I do encourage you for you to tell your email list like, hey, if you buy 3, you get 20% off. This works really well for planners, for stickers, for digital prints or digital products. And that's a way to encourage buyers to buy more from your store. So that's a quick way to kind of gain more sales. Or you could do none and you could just, whatever they buy, they get 20% off. Now, this is another great strategy here. When somebody purchases from your store, you could automatically have Xc send them a coupon of 15% off to get repeated sales. So this is a great strategy. They already purchased from your store. You completed the order, and if they're happy with you and your customer service and your order, most likely they'll come back and buy from you. So even if this strategy increase, let's say 1 or 2 sales a week, that's better than not having any. So using this will definitely help you. Another thing is you could have the duration of when do you want this promotion to run. Do you want it to run forever, which means no end date, like you just want it to continue happening? Do you want to put an end date? Do you want to just run it for the month of August and see how it works? It's really up to you. And then customize your coupon code. I always put like a name on it. As you can see, my last discount was on Black Friday. Last year, I barely ever do sales on my store. But if you want to run a sale, I recommend putting the month at least. You could do something like this, like August 20, so you can know that month. When you look at the metrics later on, you're not confused on what month you did that, even though it's going to give you the date. Or you could put the reason why you gave that discount. Maybe you had a launch. Maybe you had new products, right? New listing. Maybe it was a new shop, so you had like some type of incentive of why you did it. Either way, make sure that is meaningful, whatever you put here, and that you're going to relate to it later. Go ahead and press continue. And from here, you could select one listing or you could select all the listings by clicking on each one of these. If you want to do just one listing, you could just search by the name of the listing. So I'm going to do this discount on my Xc Shop Critique. That runs $100, 15%. So I'm going to do it on that one. I'm going to go ahead and review and confirm. And make sure that you review this all the time to make sure that this is accurately here, especially the discount. 15% off. It ends on August 31st. This is the coupon code. and here's the link that I could share. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm and create. From here, you're able to share it on your social media if you wanted to, but I don't encourage that because what you want to do ultimately is start your email marketing. You want people to sign up for your email for an exchange of a discount. That is the best method to do it. Now, can you send a coupon, like a link, and share it with people? Yes, you can, but you're missing out on opportunities later on. If you share this link, if you copy this link, it's better if you email your followers and say, hey, by the way, I'm running a special. Here's a coupon. You get 20% off. Or if you use it on social media, you could use the company I mentioned earlier, Active Campaign. You could create a landing page, even if you don't have a website or a blog, you could create a landing page and you could tell people, join my email list and I will send you a discount of 20% off or 15% off. But you want to grab the email. Once you have the email, you could promote to them later on again, new products, new services, anything you running on sale. You could nurture that list. You could grow your brand. You could cross promote. You could say, hey, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you have channels at. You could also use it for remarketing ads, and you could also use it to create lookalike audiences and much more. So there's so many benefits. So as a business owner, you have to train yourself. Instead of giving out a coupon code, which is great, but instead of doing that, how can I benefit from it, right? So the benefit is, let me grab your email and I'll give you a coupon code. Are you going to get people that are going to subscribe and then unsubscribe? Yes, because it happens to me all the time. They subscribe for something for free and then they unsubscribe and then they subscribe again. It happens, and it's the part of the business. It's going to happen to you as well. However, this is the most effective way to increase your sales on a continuous basis. So you will copy this link and you will only share it with the exchange of an email, and you could do it through your email list. You could do it through social media or anywhere else that you promote your products. Make sure that you send them to the landing page where they would join your email, and then you email them separately the discount. But this is how simple it is to create a coupon for your store, coupon code for your store. Let me know in the comment sections if you plan to do so, if you plan to use this strategy. Also, guys, if you want to grab the free Xc Seo guide, I will leave the link right below this video. Make sure that you grab it. It's definitely going to help you. It's an 8-page PDF guide that I put together. It's very detailed, and it's really going to help you understand how to drive organic traffic back to your Xc store. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks again.